Hello everybody, and today we will be adding with decimals. Yes, in the last video we were talking about place value of decimals. Well, now we're going to use those skills and turn them into addition problems. So let's just make up a random number, which is 239 and 49 tenths. No, 49 hundredths. And plus 440 and 26 hundredths. So let's put it in the standard algorithm form. Well, that's what I like. And I can also show it to you another way, which I will show you in just a minute. But so I'm just writing this down real quick. Okay, I'm done. And it's exactly how you do addition with whole numbers. What's 6 plus 9? Of course, it's 15, but you put the 5 and then you add the 1 up here, so which is another tenth. So let's add it to this, which makes 5 is that. So 5, what's 5 plus 2? 5 plus 2 is 7. And then we put the decimal point. And if you always put the decimal point, you always know what place value you're in, if you put the decimal point there. I won't say that for whole numbers, but I will say it for the decimals. And then 9 plus 0 is 9. And 2 plus 4, 3 plus 4 is 7. And put the 2 there. So now I'm going to show you the other way that you can do it. You can also put in the this and put it into 4. So that's 1, and that's 2, and that's 3, and that is 4. So we have these tens, and now we have the hundredths, which I'm just gonna put randomly, not actually gonna put a 10 by 10 square. As long as you know that this is representing the hundredths, then you're okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So let's shade this in, and let's shade this in, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then put in the rest. So now that we have that, we can do the 26. So let's put the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you shade in 2, and let's make the hundredths grid, which is like this. Not exactly, but approximately. And now we shade in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you add these up. So you can count these 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when you add 2 there, comes 5 and 6. So now that we have 9 there, we add 6, which is taking away 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And ta-da! There you have it. And just shade this in a little bit more, and it equals what I just did. So those are 2 ways to do the addition with decimals. But then there's subtracting. And you can do this strategy with pretty much almost any number. Just take this away, it's the same thing as whole numbers. And if you just add a 9 here and another 6 here, and then you could just do the same thing as addition. No matter how many numbers, and x equals any number, you can do as many things or as many numbers as you want, and you can still use this strategy for whole numbers. So then there's subtracting with decimals. Subtracting with decimals is the same thing, and in the next video I'm going to teach you about multiplying decimals. Adding and subtracting decimals. So how you subtract decimals is really the same thing, but then you take this away. So let's put in the same numbers. 49 minus 40 to 26. So then you do 9 minus 6 equals 3. And you do 4 minus 2, which is 6. And you do 9 minus 0, which is 9. Oh. And you put the decimal point, and then put in the 9. And 3 plus 4 is 7. And just put the unnecessary 0. That's why I'm putting it in dots. You don't need it, but you can have it, which is 2. So this is the answer to the subtraction problem. This is the answer to the addition problem. I know it's not much of a difference, but because it's not much of a difference because they are almost the same. Wait. No, I made a mistake. Okay, that's not the answer. And I accidentally added for the last 2. I always get mixed up with those 2. Sometimes even in math class. So 9 minus 0 is 9. I was correct on that one. But 3 minus 4, you can't do 3 minus 4, so you get a 1, and you get a 13. And then you minus that, and then you subtract that by 4, and it gives you 9. And then we can erase the 2 and make it a 1. 199 and 63/100ths. So that's how you add and subtract with decimals. So thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!